Hey guys, ScooterATVSales.com at Scooter City Reno ATV wholesale outlet. We have a full service department and repair facility here. We do service all Chinese brands, older Japanese brands as well. We got the KINROAD, BMS, Tao, COOLSTER. This here is a KINROAD go-kart 250, liquid cooled, in here for some service, fuel delivery issues. So looks like it's a little sick right now. It's seen some rough times as well. So we're close to completing the service. And yeah, so come down and check us out. Bring your go-karts, ATVs, scooters. This is what we do over here. We have service techs, parts in stock as well. 920 Matley Lane, Suite 6. Number here is 775-856-3398 to schedule your service or repair needs. See you soon.